So the best weapon is either you use palm heel, bottom piece, this one, back piece, or knife hand, this one, to do the striking, most especially in street fighting. So you do palm heel, back piece, bottom piece, knife hand. Never use close squeeze, guys. This is very important, so you must remember. So use palm piece, this one, this part of your hand, then knife hand, outside edge of your hands, then back piece using two knuckles. Bottom piece is this one. So then later I will show you in the punching bag how to do the striking using those weapons. So always remember, guys, never ever use close piece to strike your opponent in street fighting. So always remember that one. So later I will show you how to deliver and how to use that weapons. Stay tuned. Boom! Okay, from fighting stance, you raise your right hand, left hand over to protect yourself. Then you do the leading palm heel strike like this. So this is the palm heel strike, and this is the back heel strike. You do like this. Ha, ha, ha. Then knife. Ha, ha, ha. Then bottom piece. 1, 2, 3, 2. Back piece. Palm heel. Palm heel. So this is how you use the weapon.